Archdiocese of New Orleans implements reforms meant to protect children from clergy sex abuse.
Ton Trung reports it's part of the bankruptcy settlement, which some say is worth more than the hundreds of millions of dollars involved.
It's hard to ignore the financial side of the Archdiocese of New Orleans bankruptcy. $305 million may go to settle hundreds of claims of clergy sex abuse. It's one of the costliest Catholic Church bankruptcies in recent U.S. history.
It's going to be one of the highest per claimant, meaning per survivor. And it just sucks that everything with these people who've suffered so much is reduced to numbers.
But another aspect of the bankruptcy involves so-called non-monetary provisions of the settlement plan. Essentially, they're a set of reforms and protocols designed to establish what the Archdiocese believes is the gold standard of child protection. Archbishop Gregory Amond says some of those reforms are in place now.
The vast majority of things in the non-monetary is what we are doing already. We have a very robust safe environment program, and that will continue.
The plan lays out how the Archdiocese will improve its reporting of abuse, requiring clergy or church employees to immediately contact law enforcement or child services when a claim is made. The Archdiocese will also keep 2 survivors of clergy sex abuse on its independent review board that handles such allegations. Patricia Moody, who says she was abused when she was a young girl, will serve on that board.
However, I do think that this is an opportunity for the church to move in the direction that they need to.
Moody says the Archdiocese never documented her abuse claim. The new reforms mandate a paper trail at every step of that process. The Archdiocese is also pledging more transparency. It'll publish survivor stories and release documents related to priests and clergy credibly accused of abuse. Those documents will be kept at LSU.
We can expect it to happen. We don't have a timeline at this point, but we have committed ourselves that they will go to LSU and they will be available to people.
This is a huge win for survivors.
Letitia Payton is executive director of Tent Makers of Louisiana, an advocacy group for survivors. Payton says the new standards are perhaps the highest in the country and give a voice to victims who felt ignored and silenced for decades.
What is really important is having the trauma being validated now, in a sense, because for so many years, these people were not able to say what happened to them.
For Tim Trahan, being heard can be healing.
I'm moving from being a victim to being a victor, and that's a very good feeling.
In New Orleans, Ton Trung, Fox 8 Local First.